Welcome to FluttSky, your launchpad for Flutter excellence. I'm Brandon, and I'm here to guide you through the exciting world of cross-platform app development with Flutter. Get ready to dive into crafting sleek user interfaces and building high-performance apps that stand out. Buckle up as we explore Flutter's powerful features, from intuitive UI design to seamless performance optimization. Whether you're a coding newbie eager to learn or a seasoned developer looking to enhance your skills, FluttSky has something for everyone. Join me as we build real-world projects, unravel tricky concepts, and share pro tips to elevate your Flutter expertise. We'll delve into the latest trends, best practices, and hidden gems that make Flutter shine. Ready to transform your app ideas into reality? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates. Together, we'll navigate the Flutter ecosystem and watch your skills take flight. Let's build amazing apps and reach new heights with Flutter. The sky's the limit at FluttSky.